Hi there, welcome to this lesson about variables in the C# programming language for storing different types of data in C#. In this lesson, I'll show you practically how to store data or different types of values into variables. Let's get started. Let's go ahead to type our first example. String message equals hello C# in between double quotes and semicolon at the end of the statement. After typing everything here, let's explore this variable. First of all, you need to initialize or to define the type for that variable. In this case, we use string to define this collection of characters here, which is the hello C# string in between double quotes. This is a string, so you need to use the string keyword before the variable name and follow the rules for naming variables here. And you can name this variable any name you wish, but try to make it more descriptive and readable for everyone. This message is the hello C# message in this case, and semicolon. Don't forget to place semicolon at the end of the statement. A statement is a snippet of code or a line of code to perform actions. After declaring this message variable, you can use its value by using the variable name, which is message. Also, you can print out the value of message on the screen. You can print out the hello C# message or string on the screen. Let's move to use the writeLine method from the console class to print out or to display this message on the screen. Just type console.writeLine and place the variable name message in between the round braces of the writeLine method. To use the console class in order to access functions or methods from that class, you must use the system namespace or the system library by using the using keyword before this program. Make sure to use the using keyword to import the system namespace or library first. Then you can use the console.writeLine here. And after typing this statement, make sure to place semicolon also at the end of the statement, otherwise you will get an error. To execute this program, hit the run button, or you can use Ctrl F5 to show the output, which is the hello C# message. As you can see, this value is stored inside the message variable. And to access this message or this string data type, you can use the variable name message, and you can print out the message or the value on the screen by using the writeLine method from the console class from the system namespace or library. It's simple and easy, as you can see. Try to print out another string on the screen by using the same way. Try to declare a variable and call it any valid name you wish, and print out the result on the screen by using the writeLine method. Try to write the string on the screen by using the writeLine method or the write method from the console class. In this example, we declared and defined the variable in the same line of code or in the same statement, but you can declare it in a line and define it in another line. There is difference between declaring and defining a variable. Declaring a variable is by using its type. You can type, for example, in this example here, string message and put semicolon at the end of the statement, and this is called declaring a variable. You can declare it without any value. However, defining a variable is about giving that variable a value or assigning a value to that variable. Try to declare the message variable on a line and assign a value to it or define it on another line like that. By hitting the run button, you will get the same previous result, which is the hello C# message on the screen, but using another way. In this example here, you can declare a variable on a line and assign a value to it or defining it on another line, and you can use this way with any data type you wish. You can use it with integer numbers by using the int keyword, or floating point numbers by using float or double if you wish. Try to do this with another data type. There is another way to declare a variable in the C# programming language by using the var keyword. And we have an example here, var message equals hello C# also, the previous example or the previous string. And you will notice that in this example here, there is no type for message. The var keyword followed by the variable name directly without any type, without the string keyword here. You don't need to use the type in this way by using the var keyword. If you want to declare a variable, you can use the var keyword directly like that to declare it. And also to use this variable or to print out or write this variable on the screen, you can use the writeLine method from the console class. Type console.writeLine and place the variable name in between the round braces and semicolon at the end of each statement here. Now let's save and run this program by using the run button or by using Ctrl F5 to show the message, which is the hello C# message or string, the same previous message. You can overwrite a variable after declaring and defining it. For example, here for the message variable, we overwrite it and the new message in this case is hello and welcome instead of using the hello C#. And the C# compiler reads the program from the top to the bottom. So in this case, after overwriting a variable, if you want to access or use it by using the writeLine method, after that from the console class to display or to write the message on the screen, and you will get the new message, which is the hello and welcome string or message instead of the old message hello C#. The output in this case is the hello and welcome, the new message for the message variable. And also you can override this message or this new value. You can hit enter after the message equals hello and welcome statement and give a new value for message if you wish. Try to do this by yourself to see what will happen. You can overwrite a variable by using the variable name directly like this example, but if you try to use the var keyword again for the same variable, you will get an error in the output. Like this example here, var message equals another message. This will give you an error. You cannot use the var keyword again for the same variable, which is message. After typing that statement, you can go to the error field and you will see the variable message is assigned, but its value is never used. To avoid this error, after declaring a variable using the var keyword, if you want to override that variable or if you want to give that variable a new value, use the variable name directly without the var keyword again, exactly as in this example here. Once you comment or delete the second var keyword here and save and run the program again by using the run keyword, you will get the output, which is the hello and welcome message or string on the screen without any errors, as you can see here, or any string data type you write. Previously we talked about declaring and defining variables in the C# programming language using string variables. But let's take another example to declare and define a variable using integer numbers using the int keyword. As in this example here, int new number equals 20, and place the variable name in between the round braces of the writeLine method to display the value of the new number variable on the screen. In this example here, you can see that for the declaration statement or the assignment statement, int number equals 20 and semicolon at the end of the statement. Our type in this case for the new number variable is int, refers to integer numbers. Integer numbers are numbers without decimal points, and single equal sign to assign this value without decimal point, as you can see 20 on the screen. And from the console class we use the writeLine method also, as we did before with the message variable, to display the value of the new number on the screen or to write the value of this new number variable on the screen, which is 20. Once you save this file and run the program by using Ctrl F5 or the run button, you will get the output, which is 20 on the screen, as you can see here. And by using all the previous concepts, you can declare floating point numbers, double or boolean values using the bool keyword. Also, for this integer variable called new number, you can declare it on a line and you can define it on another line with another value if you want, instead of 20, any integer number without decimal point. That's all about it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next lesson.